I'll show you 5 hairstyles you can do by yourself when you do not have energy for free. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining, my name is Glo-Mary and I talk about everything beauty. We are very lovely people in this community, so we hope you stay with us. So first I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair to avoid little or no breakage. First, I ensure that I comb my hair from the tip to the root and not the other way around, because most of the time the tips are the ones that are tangled and have a lot of knots. So once I take that out of the way, it is easier to comb every other part of my hair. So I have detangled one side and I will have detangled the second side now. But I made a mistake and so I lost this amount of hair. The mistake I made was that I combed my hair was that my hair was very dry and I didn't even bother to apply a leave-in conditioner or water. So here I am applying water, and as you can see, I lost little hair compared to the first one. And yes, I'm still combing from the tip to the root. Okay, so let's start what we have come into the room to do. Number one, hairstyle. This is my go-to hairstyle anytime I'm so bored with my hair and I don't even have the energy to style it. I know that either way, whether I am sad or happy or whatever the energy that I have, this hair is going to bang. This hairstyle is just going to work. So let's see how it goes. Did you guys see? You see, I was not lying. Where will I enter like this and they will send me away? Okay, let's go to the number two hairstyle. Spoiler alert, this one looks like a childish hairstyle, but then I still love it. So guys, this is the time to use that like button. I want a lot of people to see this video, so please help me make that happen by clicking the like button. Number three hairstyle. A little backstory: I discovered this hairstyle last year, and when I said discover, I discovered how it suits my facial features so much. So ever since I discovered this, I could not let go of this hairstyle. So anytime I just don't have the energy or more, I'm going for this hairstyle straight away, and you will see that I am not lying very soon, that this hairstyle just suits my face so much. Did you see how pretty this hairstyle made me look? You guys, use the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and also you can share with someone who has a similar facial features like me. Number 4, hairstyle. So I never thought this hairstyle actually make me look good until a friend of mine told me that she likes when I have this hairstyle on, that it just makes me look very nice. And I'm like, okay, let me just adopt it as my signature hairstyle. So let's see what this hairstyle is actually. And meanwhile, if you pay attention, you will know how to flat twist your hair from this hairstyle. Tell me in the comment section if my friend is actually right. Between this hairstyle and the previous one, which one do you think suits me better? And to the father of them all, the high puffs. Guys, I don't know what will happen in this world and I will let go of high puffs. It just works. And if you are new to this community, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse to encourage ourselves in every long form video. So guys, here is the verse of the day. And this is the final look. Guys, use the like button, spread this video to a lot of people who are struggling with styling their hair, and I will see you in my next one.